Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see what's inside the bag. Okay, we have cross-stitch kits. All right. My goodness. And we have a tool that's sliding around here. All right, this comes from OneDaySaving, and this review is part 1 of 2. The next part of this review will be next Wednesday. Let me move some things around. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. And we'll start with this metal bobbin, and it was $4.51, I think. All right. Let's see if I can get it out of its bag. Now, this is a heavy-duty metal. Hang on just a second so we can see things up close. Isn't that beautiful? And needs to be shined. I wish they'd put a little protective coating over it or something. But it looks like it has some faux turquoise in the corners. But what you use this for, let me see if I can get this going in the right direction, is a bobbin holder. And it's really heavy, so you can do it this way, or you can go this way, or just however you want to put the thread on there. I don't use these very often. It doesn't seem like it has any place to catch it. So, I was going to try to go across. Good gravy. No, that doesn't work so hot. So I guess either up and down or totally around. But if you had a lot of thread, you could just wrap it right on these. And they come in different styles. I'll try to put a picture here of the different styles if they have a multi-picture. But yeah, I just thought it was different. And it's heavy. Heavier than I thought it would be. I'm trying to get that thread off of there to show you how thick it is. It's, oh, I'd say it's over 1/8 of an inch thick, but it's very well made. Just kind of pretty and different. So I have no idea what the heck I'm going to do with it. I wanted to see if it was magnetic. Now, if it's true metal, nope, it is not magnetic. Thought, well, maybe, but it is quite heavy. So yeah. So check those out. They were something new and different that they had. Oh, right. Let's get on to the cross stitch. Now this cross stitch kit I think was close to $12. I will put the price in here because evidently I had to order something else. So, and I didn't get it written down. What can I say? But I will have a link to this. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back. Now, it does have a big paper pattern. I will put a picture of it here. Isn't that gorgeous? I saw somebody else had this. Oh, had to have it. Oh, yeah. They're like, I don't know that they are peonies, but they sure look like it. You know, with all those leaves, it's probably some totally different flower. If you know what the flower is, put it in the comment below. Let's take a look at that paper pattern. This thing is huge. It is a 40 by 60. It's an 11 count. And at the bottom it says 233 by 147. But look at the size of those blooms. They are just ginormous and gorgeous. And, can you ever color? You know, Gets me every time. But the pattern looks good. There's no smudges or smears. There's lots of greens in this, along with the beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's take a look at what ones we have to choose from. So we have 154 mulberry. We have 321 red. No 310 black. No 550 purple. We have 666 red. These are colors that I know and I'm just pulling out. We have 823. We have 939. I'm sure there's more reds or purples in there. And no 3371 or 3770 or 3865. So I don't know what they're using for a lighter color, but we sure will find out. Just beautiful. Oh, I can hardly wait. And this is a very easy to see pattern. Very nice and easy on the eyes. It's bold and vivid. You know, I mean, it's not pale, you know, in the printing. So very easy to see if you have to look up a symbol. Very nice, very clear. Love this. Oh, yeah. Now, this kit comes with a toolkit. Oh, La Tigre. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. I'll just set that aside. Let's take a look at the threads. Oh, I forgot. It does come with an instruction page, just like on the back of Joy Sunday. This is pretty standard for all kits, it seems like. I haven't had anything that looked any different in any of the kits that I've opened. If I did, I don't remember. How's that? All right, let's take a look at the colors. So we have, first off, number 890, which is kind of a Kelly green. Very pretty. Must be for the leaves. We have a hank of 939 and 2 hanks of 939 here. And this one is 939. So you get 3 hanks of 939 and that beautiful green color. So very pretty. Let's take a look at all the yumminess. The rainbow is a coming, and it is on a thread card. Thank you. Oh, hello. Look at the beautiful colors. We have rust and purple. I told you there'd be another purple in there. And this is that gold. It's not a white. So I'll show you what they're using for a lighter color, not necessarily white. Beautiful blue there. But look at this. Can you ever? It is like a freaking rainbow. I'm trying, and then it got attached to my table. It says no. Beautiful, beautiful, stunning, bright, jewel tone colors. Look at that turquoise. Oh my goodness. And the magentas. And we have bright, bright greens. Just stunning. There is not a color that you would pick that would be bad, you know, or you'd not want to stitch with, because me stitching with bright colors just makes it much more cheery. And especially in winter this time of year. So that's like the only color, like lighter blue, that they have. Yeah, this time of year, I like to have bright things around me. I can't have flowers out in my yard because for some reason that just doesn't happen. But very beautiful rainbow, just jewel tones. There, drooling here, can you tell? Let me wrap everybody up together and put it up here. And we'll take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Paper pattern and canvas will match. So here's your product number and how big it is again. And how many squares per square. Very well printed. There's some nice big areas. I'm not seeing a whole ton of confetti. Just kind of getting down into the details a little bit, but nothing like I have been through. But there is a lot of that background, so that must be the 939 for that blackish color. Very nice big key. And the stitching just barely grazes. I don't know if you can see that. Just barely grazes the numbers, but your paper pattern will match. So that is a good thing. All right. Very nice, smooth, kind of slick, if you will. Canvas, both sides, so it won't rough up your hands. Let's see here. And it is 59.5 centimeters, or almost really close to 23.5 inches. Actual, I mean, this way it is almost 16 inches, or 40.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 13.25, or a little over 33.5 centimeters by almost 21 inches, or almost 53 centimeters. It is nice and wide, fits on your lap well. It's one of those you can just sit down, pick a color, and just stitch. You don't have to worry about changing out for a while. You know, just go with whatever color you want. But God, this is going to be gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful. And I love the leaves in it. It's just gorgeous. Ugh. Very pretty. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for this beautiful kit and this new little thingamabob, or whatchamacallit. I don't know. It is supposed to be, they advertise it as a bobbin. A thread bobbin. So, yeah, very nice. Now, if they have any sales, or if I have any discount codes, I will put the discount code in the beginning of the video and in the description below. I will also put any specials that they're having in the description box, because it's the easiest thing for me to do. Now, OneDaySaving has free shipping on orders over $50. If that changes, I'll put that in the description box below. They have cross-stitch and diamond painting and paint by number. They do custom. They have paper quilling. They have tools and crafts for all those things. And you always have a very wide variety of things to choose from. Thank you once again, OneDaySaving. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.